To maximize credit card points, it is essential to understand the rewards program associated with your card. Start by reading the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement to know the earning rates, redemption options, and any rotating categories or bonuses. Choose a credit card that aligns with your spending habits, such as a card that offers higher rewards on groceries, gas, or travel. Make sure to use the card for all your daily purchases to accumulate points quickly. Set a budget and stick to it to avoid overspending and interest charges. Pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest and late fees. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Some credit cards offer bonus points for specific categories or merchants, so take advantage of these offers to maximize your points. For example, a card may offer triple points on dining purchases or double points on gas station purchases. Keep track of your points balance and redemption options to make the most of your rewards. Most credit card issuers have online portals or mobile apps that allow you to track your points and redeem them for statement credits, gift cards, or travel bookings. Consider transferring your points to airline or hotel loyalty programs to get more value from your rewards. Many credit cards have partnerships with these programs, allowing you to transfer points at a favorable rate to get the most value from your points. Redeem them for travel bookings or high-value gift cards. Avoid redeeming points for low-value options like merchandise or cashback, as these often have lower redemption rates. By following these steps and using your credit card responsibly, you can maximize your credit card points and enjoy valuable rewards on your daily purchases. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement and take advantage of bonus offers and transfer partnerships to get the most value from your rewards.